Okay, so for this assignment, I chose the website called weworewhat.com. This is a blog by a girl named Danielle Bernstein. This is where she originated from. She started gaining a following from this blog that she created in 2010. She's been on the Forbes 30 under 30 list when she was under the age of 25. So this is her blog, and I think it's really well set up, just the way that she designed it and everything. I think it's really appealing to the eye and pleasing to look at. It's really easy to navigate as well, and you get all the information that you're looking for easily. You don't have to really search for it. So this is the home page. And up here, this is her logo, We Wore What. That's her brand that she created. And it says by Danielle, so you know who created this website. And then it has all of the different tabs that you can click on. But as you scroll down the home page, all of the tabs kind of come up as you scroll down. So you can really find everything you're looking for as you scroll on the home page. But if you wanted something quick and easy, you can just click up here. So outfits, as you can see, if you click over here, you'll also get outfits. So if you click here, outfits, she gives a little overview of the recent things that she's worn over the events that have gone on in recent times. So the most recent post is from Paris Fashion Week, which was just a couple weeks ago. She posted outfits. For example, this is one of her outfits that she wore at Paris Fashion Week, and at the bottom, as you scroll down, she gives you a picture, obviously, of what she's wearing, and then down here, as you can see, gives a little overview of what she's actually wearing, giving all the designers and where she got all of the items that she's wearing, and then she gives also links to the things that she's wearing, so you can easily find them, and she also gives alternative options of the things that she's wearing. So see, she's wearing a dress, so she'll give similar dress options that kind of resemble the look and style of the ones that she's actually wearing, because it is designer and it's expensive, so she gives little affordable options instead, which is great. And then you go down and there's another same ordeal, outfit, details, and links. So it's really well organized, and it gives people that are actually looking at her blog for the reason of fashion to, it's easy for them to navigate. So then to go into the next tab, you go to interior, which is all about her apartment in the city, in New York City. So this is an overview of her living rooms, her new sofa, and she'll give similar feel to her outfits, but with furniture and house decor. So see, she has a picture of her actual living room, and then she'll have Coffee Table 101. So if you click on this, you'll get a quick overview of different coffee tables and ones that resemble the ones that she have, coffee tables, and then things that go on coffee tables like coasters and candles and coffee table books and things like that. So she'll give not only pictures, but where to find them. So she'll label them, like number 3 is an H&M gold tray. Number 3 is right here, so it's just, you know, it's easy to navigate. And then to the next tab, we'll go to lifestyle, and this gives a little overview. She gives a Capri and Positano travel guide. She gives a We Wore What wellness. So like I mentioned, We Wore What is her brand. It's the brand that she created through her blog. And this just gives a little overview of things that she products that she uses for wellness purposes, CBD oil, saunas, you know, lymphatic drainage, stuff like that. So she gives also a well-written description of things that she uses and why she uses them. And then shop. So basically you can shop her Instagram. Like I mentioned before, she is an influencer. She did start off blogging just on her website, but now her Instagram, she has over, I think it's over 2.5 million followers. She has a great following. And like I said before, her brand is called We Wore What. She makes swimsuits and overalls. so that this is what you're clicking on when you shop. It brings you to the options and her design. So for example, when you click on this, it actually redirects you to a different website called Shop We Were What, and this is not the blog, but the brand's website. So obviously, here's all the overalls, and this is a merchandise shop, as compared to this website, which is her blog. And then here's another tab that has archives. Like I said, she's been doing this for years, so this goes back to all the way to December 2011. So you can look at her things and how she's grown as well, which I think is really cool. It's not loading right now, my computer's really slow, but and then here's a little about page about her. So like I said, she was placed on Forbes 30 Under 30 before the age of 25, and yeah, I think this website is really well organized. It's fun to look at, and it gives the viewer not only good content, but interesting content as well. So I think it's a really well put together website, and I often look at it and use it. So yeah.